Okay, so I think I'm going to, we'll make the last move of that turn animated. So instead of setting an attribute, this L animate, well, okay, so no, set the attribute, but animation. And property is rotation, and from is okay. So I'm just gonna do that, and this from is this. Okay, so this 0, 0, 0, and 2 is this 0. So that's that. Sorry. This is it. And to the north, rotation is from is 180, and 2 is that. Am I right? Let's see. Oh, see, it's always make sure it's not a typo. It's just a typo. Okay, so it rotates, right? But it's not really rotating the way it should work. So it's okay, so north and south is working. That was correct. That was not correct. That's when I click west. So when west is happening, from was, it started from 90. So y rotation is negative 90. So from negative 90 to go to 0. Let's do it one more time. So negative 90 to go to 0. It kind of went opposite way actually. Oh yeah, because it's starting from 90. And why is that? So it's not really west. It's supposed to be, so it looks like west and east is actually going opposite. I can't really tell. But I'm just going to move forward actually, and set and pass and end direction and start direction is, it's either, so it's always 0, between 0 and 360 start and end. So it never goes to negative numbers, whatever that's set. But why sometimes does it say y rotation is minus 90? Because that's, y rotation is this get attribute, negative 90. So maybe in A-frame it's always like converted to like negative numbers if it's no, but this is 2 and 270, so that's correct. So the from should actually be variable. I think I was doing it wrong. So that's how it should be. Right, so that's that. And it's the return. So switch get attribute rotation. So it's so this should be set timeout, because this should happen a bit later. And the value is system config. What is move animation sequence? So that was that. Done. And rotation parameters updated. Okay, so the next, okay, so that was done. First things first, so unit move, so the second time it was clicked, then unit is not a function. That is because when tile was clicked and stage move unit is called, and when stage move unit is called, move to tile, and so it just returning, you know, whatever the updated parameter is, but that's a class, so we can't actually do that. Okay, I see what you mean. So okay, item that, okay, so data is an object. So object, what is the entities? Entry something, right? Entries. So entries would return what? So string key value returns an array. Okay, so entries object entries. Okay, let's come back. So I was working on this one. So now move tile method is just too long at the moment, and I don't really like this. Well, first things first. So let's. Oh no. Move to tile. Yeah, move to tile is long. So in this function, actually, why don't I just move this and place it after this. And what this does is, all it does is bar from and bar to. Now, so from is, this is it. And 2 is, this is it. Oh no, that part. That's from and to. So from and to. That should work. Yeah. It worked. Okay, now should I just make everything to a function? Yeah, let's make it into a component. Yes. Export const move to tile, and paste it. So it takes path and ID. Let's see. So this ID is just an ID is equal to, so unit L is, it's not a const, sure, and path this position, path position. This position is path position. Is it necessary? I think it's not supposed to be here. I think it's supposed to be here and call move tile. Which is how pass this ID. Or I would rather get the element L or unit L and bring this to here and pass the unit L. L animation count const. Okay, so system config. Okay, let's see. Now it's much. Some weird things happen. Clicked, come on, and it's not rotating. And why is that? Wait. Yes. So somehow the element is passed, right? Oh, I see. So the property is position, or so that property. Of course. Okay, so now it's good. It's looking good. So move to tile, refactored.